Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratik Chavan, and I'm representing our team, Team Beth8. The name of our company is Majesty Energy Solutions, and our aim is to provide green solutions to your energy crisis. This is our whole team. Now, since this is our second video presentation for the unit Engineering Entrepreneurship, so I will start by giving a brief overview of our product. Our product is bladeless windmill, which is used to generate energy. This primarily works on the principle of vorticity. The oscillation of the cylinder in the bladeless windmill causes it to spin in a whirlpool or vortex. This causes a vibration, creating kinetic energy, which is converted into electricity with the aid of linear generator. Since this is our second video presentation, we will focus more on our prototype. The photo here describes the very basic model of the bladeless windmill, created with the help of very basic equipments, but yet describes the functioning mechanism and all the forces acting in the most efficient manner. The lower part is the foundation, which is connected with a linear alternator system. Basically, the bladeless windmill is a technology that harnesses the phenomenon of vorticity. Bladeless windmills consist of a conical cylinder fixed vertically with an elastic rod, as you can see. The cylinder oscillates in the wind, which then generates electricity through a linear alternator system. The outer conical cylinder is designed to be largely rigid and has the ability to vibrate, remaining anchored to the bottom rod. The top of the cylinder is unconstrained and has the maximum amplitude of the oscillation. The structure is built using resins reinforced reinforced with carbon and or glass fibers, materials used in conventional wind turbine blades. The inner cylindrical rod, which may penetrate into the mast for 30% of its length, is anchored to it at its top and secured to the ground at its bottom part. It is built with carbon fiber, which provides the highest resistance to fatigue and has good mechanical quality factor, allowing its elasticity to absorb the vibrations generated by the cylinder. The device captures the energy of vorticity, an aerodynamic effect called vortex shedding. As the wind passes through a blunt body, the flow is modified and generates a cyclical pattern of vortices. Once these forces are strong enough, the body starts to oscillate and enter into resonance with the lateral forces of the wind. This is also known as vortex induced vibration. Instead of avoiding these aerodynamic instabilities, our technology maximizes the resulting oscillation and captures that energy. Naturally, the design of such device is completely different from a traditional turbine. Instead of the usual tower and blades, our device has a fixed mast and a power generator and a hollow, lightweight, and semi-rigid fiberless cylinder on top. Based on these principles and bearing in mind some other physical phenomena such as Boltzmann's law, finite bodies, aerodynamics, turbulence regions, etc., we create computational models that help us to develop and improve the efficiency of our bladeless wind turbines. Now, this is a working prototype of our product, and in this you can actually see how a bladeless windmill works. For its working, we have used an artificially stimulated wind. Now, as compared to traditional windmills, bladeless windmills have large number of advantages. They are it has a very low cost. It is just 40% less expensive than compared to conventional wind turbines. The other part is weight. Its weight decreases up to 80% than the traditional wind turbines. It has low maintenance since it has a very less number or no any moving parts. It has a less foundation as it has its center of gravity at the bottom. Also, it is not injurious to any birds or bird life or any flying objects. Since it does not have any moving parts, all the birds are safe. Now, considering all the above advantages, Our aim is to promote the renewable energy and replace the traditional windmill.